What up guys, this is Silverwolf here, and in between, well, watching movies and stuff and going to watch Black Panther in a minute actually, I thought I'd do an unboxing of my latest robot. I managed to get myself a Aibo ERS 7 with mine 2 from eBay for a really good price. So I'm going to unbox him for you guys. We've got a few shout outs and they go to Roblox Cool Gamer, Oak Deer, Aurelia Maharani and Emily the Parakeet. Now this is probably the biggest thing I've actually unboxed because I've set the camera up kind of far away from it. So yeah, it came in this massive box, but it's got all its bits and pieces with it, everything that's supposed to come with the ERS 7, the cue cards, the bone, the ball, the charging station, the Mine 2 software, the Mine 2 installing CD and things like that. So I'm going to be getting him out. So as you can see, big box. It's got a few bits here. I think a cat might have scratched the side of that. If we turn it around, it's quite heavy. You can see there, ERS 7 Mine 2. Main accessories, energy station, lithium ion battery pack and the AC adapter. It just says various things about the memory stick there. You can't use a non-Sony brand memory stick reader because it will wipe the memory stick. It works on Wi-Fi, this one. This is one of the final Aibos that Sony did. Just turn it around again. And just basically it's the same on this side as the other sides. And there isn't very much on this end bit here. So, let's see. Just open the box. Bring it a little bit closer. Make sure it's still in the shot. Yeah, it's fine. So, if you've got a new Aibo, this is how it would have arrived. We've got some more of this wonderful polystyrene that leaks everywhere. I'll put that to one side. I might actually put that in the bin. So when we open the box initially, what we've got inside is this. As you can see there, that's part of the energy station. These are what it uses to see the station and dock itself. We've got this here, and it's obviously got its memory card inside it because the card would normally come in this. We've got this is I think that's the front part of the station, so it sees that at the front and also sees the pole sticking up at the back. And then we've got the ERS 7M2, which is mine 2. I'm probably going to upgrade it to mine 3 at some point, but it came with mine 2, so that's what we're going to be using. And then if we take this off here, this is what we have. Lift that off. We can see the Aibo there, he is inside, so carefully lift him out. And here he is. Here's the white pearl variation. You can also get black, and they did do a special sort of brown one as well. It's got rubbery ears. And he's really in really good condition actually. There's like a little mark there, but oh, it's rubbed off. Small spill or something. Apparently he was only played with a few times, so let's put him down here because I can move the box and we can have a proper look at him in a minute. And lift this off. Oh, there's loads of stuff all. Oh, that right. Okay, so this here are the manuals for him. He doesn't have his original manuals, but they did send me some folders with the manuals inside. So that tells me how to use him. I've never had a 7 Series Aibo. But I did meet X-Wolf's 7 Series when she came over a few years ago. And in this here, we've got all of this. So you've got his ball, his bone, the cue cards, the charging energy station, and also his plug and everything, as you can see. So it's quite exciting for me actually, because this is probably the most intact Aibo I've I've ever had as far as the original packaging is concerned. So, actually, what I could do, put this on its side, like that. There we go. So we can put the Aibo on the box. I don't know whether they've actually charged him or not. There we go. And his name is going to be Boswell. I think Boswell is a good name for 7 Series. So let's have a look at the things inside this box here. Right, these special cards look like this. They've got little pictures on. And you show him these and he will do what the card tells him to do. So for example, this one with the bells on is his alarm, turning his alarm on and off. You've got this one here, which has got a clock on it, alarm clock setup. And we've got one with lots of Aibos on, and that one is lie down. The arrow is turn, and there's another one with an Aibo on there, and that one is U-turn. So they basically give him commands. I'm not going to go through all of them because I think there's 15 of these cards. But it's pretty neat that you can show him something and he will actually respond to it. So we've got his toys. So this is the Aibo, which is the toy that came with the 7 Series. No Aibos had this before the 7 Series. He was the first one. The pink ball. I think this is my 4th pink ball now. I've got loads of these. One of my Aibos actually came with 2 of them. And the other interesting thing is, of course, his charging station. You can see that this charging station is quite a different shape to my other one. It's a lot longer and thinner as well. And you can see mode, display, light, how to set things on him like his clock and stuff like that. Probably his volume as well, as you can with the other one. So that's all his bits and pieces. Now we could see if he's got any charge left in him and wake him up. I don't know whether his previous owner actually charged him, so. The ERS 7 has a switch on the back of his neck there. So we'll press that. No, he has no charge in him. Well, that's a shame. It'll have to be for the next video then. I will charge him up on his station, and the next video will be him in action. So you get to see how Mind 2 works, and yeah, we're going to follow his daily life in sort of a diary. Well, maybe not daily life, but follow his life in a little diary, I think, on my channel. I think that's a good idea, so you can see the adventures of Boswell. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this special unboxing, and I'll see you next time. And also, don't forget to click on the related links in the boxes if you wish, that come up just about now. And this is Silverwolf signing off. See you later.